Yo guys, so following our analysis yesterday on gold USD, you can see how far, you can see how the price action, you can see the movement of the price action, how price has been reacting so far. And yesterday we had projected that before the week runs out, we'd see gold get to the 1008 with the 1980 regions. Okay, that was our projection yesterday, and then we had put it at 19889.0, but then unfortunately it didn't get to that. But I didn't get to that yesterday doesn't mean we don't stand a chance of seeing it get to that very price today. So we saw gold get to 198, we saw gold get to 1985.02 before reversal, which is of course, which is understandable because market never moves in a uniform direction. It's a series of ups, down, up, down, up, down, and you have it. Okay, but the major thing is that we focus on the trend, and so far gold has been in an uptrend. So let's look at the 15 minutes time frame to get more clearer picture of what has been happening. All right, look at this channel that I donated with thin broken blue lines. Look at this channel. We saw gold reverse immediately. It got to this peak of 1985.02. It sharply dropped, and what happened when it dropped? It started coming down. Look at the support. It hit this support, this thin broken blue line. That's a support there, and then this where I actually took my first buy for the day. And in case it still drops, because there is actually there's a probability of gold also coming back to this big yellow line, which is a major support. There is a probability of gold coming back there. So I took a fraction of my buys. Immediately I saw it get back to this thin broken blue line, which is actually a support, and that's the upper channel of this trend that is donated with blue lines. Okay, so I took a fraction of my buys there, and then I'm also anticipating that in case gold drops. But then remember that nothing is cast in stone. There is no guarantee that it must drop there. So that's why I always try to ladder my buys, even both in my sales and in my sales and buy. I always try to ladder in. Okay, so because nothing is guaranteed, as I said earlier. So that's pretty much what I want to share with us. It's still very early. It's just from my time check, it's 19 minutes past 9, so we still have a long time. So let's see how price reacts and all that. So I'll be keeping tabs open on this support, this huge yellow line, while also anticipating anything, because there's also a certainty that instead of gold dropping back to this big yellow line, it might actually start going up from here. So my tabs are open. I'll be watching it and then keep laddering in and also keep laddering out. So that's pretty much what I want to share with us today. Be good.